See if a robot tied to a train track will derail the train. Bright eye rise early for the cock on all the robots' foreheads in magic marker. Destroy the park and free its robot inhabitants. See what you get when you milk a robot cow. See if robot poker players have tells. Not wild robot game. Put damsels into distress. Hunt down the man in black. Try to get a robot to realize what's really happening. Become a dueling champion. Join up with a criminal robot gang and raise some hell. Save Dolores Abernathy. Save damsels in distress. Do things with Dolores Abernathy that don't include saving her. Anti-hunt bad guys. Sleep with robot prostitutes.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.